Happy Friday, everybody. It is time to review the steps for solving math story problems. And we did this last week, and it's the same thing. We're just going to go over the steps again, and then you're going to practice on your own. So here I have my answer, my work page. And at the top, I have the story problem up here. I have an area to show my strategy. I have an area to make an equation, and at the bottom, I have a spot to write my answer. So the first thing you need to do is to read the story problem, which is up here at the top. Sarah has 9 toys. 4 of them are dolls. The rest are teddy bears. How many are teddy bears? So I need to ask myself, what is this problem asking me to do? It is asking me to figure out how many of Sarah's toys are teddy bears. So how many teddy bears does Sarah have? Well, I guess I need to know, how many toys does Sarah have? Well, right up here it says she has 9 toys. She has 9 toys, and we need to find out how many of them are teddy bears. And I know 4 of them are dolls. So she has 9 toys. 4 of them are dolls. The rest of them are teddy bears. And like I said, we need to find out how many are teddy bears. So I am going to go back and look at the different strategies for addition and subtraction that might help me solve this problem. Now I'm trying to think, is this an addition or a subtraction problem? So addition means putting numbers together to make a bigger one, and subtraction means taking numbers apart to make something smaller. So if I know Sarah has 9 toys, and I know 4 of them are teddy bears, 4 of them are dolls, how many are teddy bears? So I'm taking something away from the 9 toys to find out what's left. So I'm going to review my subtraction strategies. Which one might help me the best here? I could count backwards. I could draw some dots. I might use a 10 frame. I could use a number line. So I have a big number. I know part of it, and I need to find out what the other part is. I might use a 10 frame for this because I can see here's the whole amount of them, and I'm going to cross out what I already know. So how might I draw a 10 frame on this page? Well, I'm just going to do my best. So I'm going to show my strategy. I'm going to draw a 10 frame. Now remember, this strategy might not be the best one for you, or the problem. You need to figure out which one works best for you and which one works best for the problem you're trying to solve. Now remember, I always say, we're just solving a math problem. We're not making an art project. So it's okay if your work is not perfect. You do want it to still be organized and clear, but it does not need to be beautiful. So I have a 10 frame here. I'm going to double check that I have 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have 10 boxes. Sarah has 9 toys. I'm going to fill this in with her 9 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that shows her 9 toys. 4 of them are dolls. So I can take those 4 dolls away from the toys to see what I have left for teddy bears. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left for teddy bears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 left. So I'm going to write my answer down before I forget it. 5 teddy bears. Always make sure you label your answer because we're not talking about goldfish here. We're talking about teddy bears, and we want to make sure we tell whoever is checking our work that we know what we're talking about. So 5 teddy bears. Okay, now I need to make my equation. So when you do a subtraction problem, you start with the biggest number, which is the whole. So altogether we had 9 toys. We took 4 of the dolls away, so that's -4. And what was left was the teddy bears. So 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So when you do your problem on Seesaw, make sure you read the problem, check, you're going to read the whole problem. Then you're going to ask yourself, what is this problem asking me to do? What is the important information? What strategy am I going to use to solve this problem? Show the strategy. Maybe you want to skip down to writing the answer before you do your equation. And then you also want to make sure you write your equation. Make sure your work is clear and organized. And don't worry too much about making your pictures or your strategies look perfect. Just make sure that they are clear and organized. And have a great Friday. And I can't wait to see your problem solving. Bye, everybody.